Hey guys, this is Hajra.Vadhariya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a wing liner tutorial. So this was one of the most requested one. So yeah, we are all set. Let's do this. I am done with my eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I've used the Sephora brow kit. I love this brow kit. It's too good. This is like amazing. It has a gel and two powders. It works so good and your brows stay for a very long time. Next, I've used a tarte shape tape as my eyeshadow base, as you can see, and to set that I've used the lauramercier setting powder. This is a very common routine that I do in every other eye look. I've used the Maybelliene khol pencil for my upper and lower waterline to tight line. Now, as always, we'll begin with a bronzer. This is MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. So today I'll show you guys what difference it makes of using it with the bronzer. So we are using this fluffy brush. So I'm gonna do the bronzer thing on one eye and then do the wing liner, and on the other eye I will skip the bronzer and just do the liner so that you guys can see the difference. So as you can see, I'm defining my crease. Now I'm on my transition and I'm taking the bronzer from my transition to my nose contour area. Then I take my time and blend everything so that it looks all seamless. Then I'm just taking more product and building it. Make sure to give more depth in the crease than the transition and the contour area. Now, starting with the liner, I'm using the AMC 77 inglot gel liner. This is one of the great, amazing, absolute favorite liner. This is amazing, guys. No words. So make sure that you use because usually these liners get dried up really quick, so I like to use this Beautify by Amna Gold serum to moisten it. And then I use this MAC brush. This is an amazing brush I've ever this is like one of my favorites from the market. You can use any brush from any brand. You can just see how nice the tip is. So I'm just taking the product. Make sure to remove the excess on the container only. So we're gonna extend the lower lash line like this first, and then we'll make the wing first and then do the rest of the liner. What I like to do is I like to make a thicker wing and then I go little softer and thinner on the rest of the liner area. This is what I've done, as you can see. This is a longitude wing, so you can see how this wing looks like this with the bronzer thing done. And if you want, you can just elongate it a little bit from the inner corner, but I've not done like very harsh inner corner wing, just very little bit, just like putting a little color over there. So this is how the wing looks at the moment. I've done the other wing too, but right now I'm just trying to make them, just working on them to make them look similar and give the final touches. As you guys can see how it looks when you have this bronzer thing on. Now, since I'm wearing a niqab, you might not realize how good it looks with the entire makeup, with the rest of the face makeup, but it really makes a lot of difference. So if you just try this once, and you'll see how everything will look really nice and flawless. So I'm just taking my time and working on both liners. Yeah, so once we're done with that, now you can see what difference it makes with the bronzer and without the bronzer. I cannot do any look, even if I'm not doing a liner. I would just put this bronzer and mascara, and that's it. This is my favorite technique, guys. You should try it at home and you'll realize the difference. So now we are curling our lashes. This is my elf lash curler, curling my lashes. We are not gonna put any false lashes, so that's why I'm curling my natural lashes, and we'll put a lot of mascara. This is the Gigi Hadid X Maybelline mascara. This is the fiber one, but I'm gonna use the normal side only. I'm not gonna put fibers because I don't know why my eyes start watering whenever I put fiber, because they're really sensitive, so they just start watering, and I just don't feel comfortable with this fiber thing on. But it looks really great. It gives a lot of volume, so you just gotta like put the normal mascara on, then one layer of fiber, and then the second layer of normal mascara, and this is how you can get this done. So yes, once we're done with mascara, have not put mascara on my lower lash. Now I've taken this Urban Decay glitter liner. This is Midnight Cowboy. I am putting this on my brow bone area to highlight it a little bit, and also on the inner corners. So this is the closer look, and you can see the difference on both the eyes. So now I'm gonna put the bronzer on the other eye too, because I feel really weird because having it on one and on the other, and even I'm just not ever comfortable without bronzer, without contouring my eye shape and doing this technique. I'm just so fond of it now. So yeah, love it. Look at the nose shape. The nose looks so nice and shaped. It just looks really good. So I'm balancing the two, since I have not done side by side. So yeah, now this is how it looks. I hope you guys learned few things from this. This was the most requested one. Now do let me know what you feel about it. I totally love it, and do let me know in the comments down below. Also like the video and share the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon so that you can be a part of my glam fam, right? So do let me know how you enjoy this look, and what other videos you would like me to make for you guys, and let me know how you found this. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I really love this is like my current vibe, just liner, and that's it. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.